like a Hellcat.
Push record. Hello everyone, my name is Kip and welcome to my new YouTube series. It's called Kip's Quick Tips with Kip. I'm Kip and welcome to Quick Tips. We're going to do a quick video today, 30 seconds. I've got a GM wiring plug here. We're going to just remove that, no tools required. All my videos are going to be super short and get to the point. And here we go. Let me set the camera up. Okay, so there's the... I just don't know if this is the best place. Maybe over here. Oops. There we go. Just like that. So if you see this, is it the light? There it is. Just have to get some focus. There. Maybe if we can just turn it a little bit. Okay. There it is. See that okay? Good. So we're just going to get right at it. Like I said before, no tools required. We're all hands-on today. So this is the piece you want to take off of here. This camera, maybe we can just put it over here. That might be better there. Okay. So, that's not good. There we go. This piece, just pop it off with your thumb. Get your thumbnail right under here. And just, ow, god damn it. Now, if you happen to have a screwdriver handy, it doesn't hurt. Just take it, and there's a little spot you can access to put the screwdriver right there. Focus. There we go. Right in there, and just give it a little. And it won't always. It's not easy sometimes, but they just pop right off of there. Is this autofocus or what the hell? See if we can get this camera in a little better spot to show you what I'm doing here. There we go. You see that okay? Now just wedge it in there. Now I've got one side in. You see that? There we go. Now I have another screwdriver here. If you have a friend to help you out, even better. Today I don't. So you want to take the second screwdriver. Where are we here? There you go. If you can see that right in there. You want to stick the second screwdriver. Just give it a twist. And there it is. If you have any luck, you can just super quick, pops right off of there, just like that. Even a child could do it. You see that? Now, it appears that I've put a crack into it here. You can see the crack right here. We may have to try to find another one of those. See that? There. There we go. You can see it right in there. There's a crack. No big deal. Then you can take the wires out. Oh, focus. Jesus. There we go. You can depin the wires. Super straightforward. So thanks for watching Kip's Quick Tips with Kip. I'm Kip, and that was a quick tip. Damn, that was fucking terrible. Ugh.